Welcome to another Mad Human Pizza video. In this video, we're going to be putting some edging down for landscaping purposes, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So I bought this 30-foot landscaping edging, and someone must have took out the stakes in the box, so I got gypped. But anyway, I had to buy some more stakes, which are these anchoring spikes or whatever, spikes or whatever you want to call them. Got a mallet. It's going to tap them down in there. So, you know, you win some, you lose some. But in this video, I'm just going to talk to you about putting this down, and then I want to do it. So here we go. Without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it. Alright. First thing you want to do is open this bag. So when you open the bag, these spikes come out. See this spike? It drives those down. But there's only a few spikes here. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I believe there's 9. It says 10 in the bag. So here's the 10th one. It's still in the bag. So there's 10 of them. And there's like 40,000 holes. So we got 10 of them, so we gotta space it out after tapping it into the soil. You wanna check your local codes to see if there's any pipes in the ground, or call 811 or 611 or whatever 11 to make sure. They come out here and be like, oh, you got pipes in the ground. And they mark it all, they put a bunch of spray paint in the ground. They say, hey, there's a pipe here and there's a pipe there. So after you do that, then you're ready to go, because this is how you do this. You put this in the ground. Let me get this down there. You put this in the ground like so, like that, and you go boom, 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 like that, all the way down. Boom, boom, boom. And look. This is what happens. Look. Goes in that hole. See that hole? See? Huh? Yep, right like that. Just like that. Boom, 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 boom. Wham, bam, see you later, ma'am. You are impregnated right there. Impregnate the ground. Alright, and to get it out, well, you just pull it out. That's what she said. But anyways, I don't know. We're stuck now. Alright. That's how you do it. This has been another Mad Human Pizza video. A bug. There's an animal, a little bug. There's a little animal down there. It's one of those little potato bugs. Let me get him out with my finger. Come here, little buddy. Alright, he went. I made him curl up into a little ball. Alright, have a great day. Alright, remember, the more junk and crap, landscaping wise, and things you buy, you put in the yard and fix up, spruce up, landscape up, woodscape, dirtscape, whatever. All that stuff you do, it makes it look better. It gets better and better and better. So I did every 11. I went every 11 holes and went boom on the 11th hole, because there's 10 anchors, and I went all the way through. Hope I just stepped on it. So we're gonna put probably, I don't know, mulch or something stupid, but it'll look good when it's done. So without further ado, this has been another Mad Human Pizza video. Have a great, see any more steaks, look at that. Have a great, wonderful day.
Say it with me. Helicopter boat.
Helicopter boats.
Helicopter.
Helicopter boats in the air.